Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about the blues scale. So to start with, what is the blues scale? It is basically a very versatile scale that is commonly found in the blues, but it can actually be used in anything and still sounds great. The main reason it's so great for beginners to learn is because there's essentially no wrong notes, so you can play any note of the scale and it will still sound good. So let's get on with it. The scale is built from the following intervals. If we're counting in semitones, it goes 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2. So for example, if we want to work out the C blues scale, we begin on the note C, and then we go up 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3, 2 semitones, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, and then finally 2 semitones, taking us back to the note C. So this is how the scale looks, and this is how it sounds. And you can hear straight away that it has a proper blues sound. So let's look at another example. Let's say the E blues scale. So we would start on the note E, go up 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3, 2 semitones, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2. So if we come back to our C blues, we can have a go using this over a 12-bar blues in C. So the 12-bar blues goes like this: C7 for 4 bars, F7 for 2 bars, C7 for 2 bars, G7 for 1 bar, F7 for 1 bar, and then C7 for the last 2 bars. And the C blues scale fits really nicely over these chords, so you just want to play around and see what patterns and riffs you can come up with. Experimenting is definitely the best way to get good at using this scale. So here's an example over the C blues. So that was just using the notes from the C blues scale, and it can actually produce quite a nice sound. So we've looked at using the blues scale over the 12-bar blues, but we can also use it over more jazzy backings. As long as the backing stays within the same key throughout, the blues scale will fit. And to pick the right scale to use, we have to take it from the minor key. So if the backing was in E minor, we would play the E blues scale. But if it was in G major, which is the relative major of E minor, we would still play the E blues scale. So if we take the E blues scale, we can have a go improvising with it over one of the PianoPig backing tracks in E minor. So here it is. So we can hear it's very different from the 12-bar blues, but it stays within the key of E minor, so we can play our E blues scale over the top, and it will fit quite nicely. Again, that was just using notes from the blues scale, so it really is a great scale and a perfect introduction to improvisation for beginners. I'll put a link to that backing track in the description so you can have a go yourself. And just have fun with it. Play around, experiment, and see what cool things you can come up with. Let me know how you get on. I'm always interested to see people's progress. And if you have any questions, as always, just leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.